Meca has the following approach to software updates. When a major update occurs, the user will be notified automatically that a new version is available each time the application is launched. We typically try to reduce major updates to be approximately 1 to 2 months apart, unless a bug has been identified which produces inaccurate results. Minor revisions are those that occur between the major updates and are considered less significant. To get the most out of your application, it's a good idea to always make sure your program is updated. That way you can access any new features and experience fewer bugs. If there is a major update, your software should ask you on launch whether you wish to update. However, if you haven't received this message or clicked out of it, there is a simple way to download the update manually. In the Help menu, select Check for Updates. From here, you will see one of two options. For the first, you will see this window that tells you that everything is up to date. The second option will look like this if you are not up to date. You will see this window on your screen. It gives you several options to choose from in terms of updating your software. You can of course update now, which downloads and installs the newest version for you right away. Download without update will download the update but will not install it right away, allowing you to return to your program. Remind Me Later will download and install later, typically after 15 days. In the top right corner, you can see which version you currently have. In the top left, you can see which is the most recent version available. In the middle, we have version history, which will show every version of the software. We will discuss this later in the video. I have an outdated version, so I will upgrade to the most recent version. Based on your connection, the download time may vary. Now, when you return to the program, you will see you have the most recent version in the top left corner. If you wish to revert to a previous version, you have the ability to do so. In the Help menu, scroll down to Roll Back to Previous Update. This will show you a short list of some versions that came right before the current one. Just click on the version you want, and you will go through similar process when you downloaded the most recent version. If you want to revert to a previous version but wish to know what was changed in it, go to the Help menu and click Version History. This will show all recorded versions and what was added in each one.